Hello students, welcome back to science lesson. Now we are in week 6, day 2. Today you will be making personal activity schedule showing needs and wants. Today you're going to use your audience-centered communication skill to make a schedule by recalling what you have learned in the previous lesson. Before you do your assignment, please prepare your work in week 6, day 1. Which one is that? It's this one. The workshop titled My Needs and Wants During Day and Night Activities. Okay, from the workshop week 6, day 1, you will make it into a personal schedule. So from that worksheet, you will be using it to make a schedule look like this. How? You just need to do this by following the instruction. Instruction number 1. Use the data from your assignment in week 6, day 1 to make this schedule. So that means you have to prepare the assignment needed, right? Which is the worksheet on the left. Number 2. Draw each activity at day and night time into the correct column. So look at your works in week 6, day 1. You look what you have drawn in there. Example, in the morning, maybe you draw taking a shower. So you need to draw it again into your personal schedule. So you need to draw it in here. And after that, draw the time for each of the activity. So you write what is that, and then you draw the time. You do the same thing for the rest of the activity that you draw last time into your personal schedule that you're making today. So from the activity at noon, lunch, then I draw it again in here, and then I have to name it and also draw the time. And I do the rest for the nighttime activities section in assignment week 6, day 1 into the night personal schedule. Then after that, you need to do your plan of improvement. Number 1, what kind of activity do you want to have tomorrow? Example, tomorrow I want to feel fresh during morning meeting. So, another example. In the box is the ones that you have to write by yourself. Tomorrow, I want to play Lego in the afternoon. And then you need to go answer number 2. What kind of activity you need to do to fulfill your plan? Example on the top says, tomorrow I want to feel fresh during morning meeting. So that means something that I have to need to do tomorrow so I can feel fresh is I need to go to bed on time. Another example. In the box on the top, it says, tomorrow I want to play Lego in the afternoon. So, I'm thinking of things that I can do to fulfill that plan is by finish all my lunch and works. Okay, where you can find your assignment, you need to download it in the Google Classwork, and after that you need to submit your work. Okay, good luck. Thank you for watching this video. Just go to your Google Classroom, find your assignment there, and don't forget to submit. Goodbye.